How to change a name on Indeed. If you'd like to change your name on the Indeed app, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. So you have to just launch the Indeed Jobs application, and this is the interface that we will see. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. There, simply select the option that says contact information and tap on it. Then when you go there, you should be able to find the option to change your name. So under your name also, you can just tap on add or change name. Then you can simply go ahead and then type in the first name that you would like to enter, and then you can go ahead and then follow up with the last name. Then when you've done that, you can tap the done button, add in your phone number, country, location, and so on. Then just tap on the save button, and then your name will be successfully added or changed. And this way we will be able to go ahead and then basically change your name on Indeed. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.